Welcome to the demonstration of what's new in QlikView11. This demo contains the data of consumer goods sales, and the customers of this company are grocery stores and not individual consumers. This demo is targeted for QlikView developers who have used previous versions of QlikView and would like to learn the new features in version 11. Even if you're not familiar with QlikView, if you're in a sales organization, this demo is for you. You will see how a regional sales manager discovers a customer with negative margin transactions. Let's go to the Customer tab. I'm a regional sales manager and I'm responsible for the Northeast sales in the US. The green circles on the map indicate sales amount per customer. To see my Northeast territory, I paint on the map for the US and then Northeast. I also select 2011 to see 2011 sales. In the Customer KPI table, I can see the information about each customer's purchases. If I scroll down, I can identify two customers with negative margin, EDS and Fillet. If I look closely for the number of invoices column, I can see that EDS has a lot more invoices than Fillet. By selecting 2010, I can see that we were not making margin last year either. It seems I need to investigate on who the salesperson is for this customer. Back to 2011 and let's see the sales rep. Edward Lajack. Which products is he selling to EDS? I know that vegetables have been a top sales product this year so far, with overall average margin of above 40%. Selling this product, how come Edward can have negative margin? I need to see what is going on. Since I want to investigate more on the products, I will see the product report in Reports tab. By default, I have a view at a high level of products. From this report, I see no problem with the French fries with a 72% margin. However, the problem seems to be the rest of the products, especially I see that frozen vegetables has no sales but a great amount of quantity. Now, I will add more dimensions to fit to the granular level of information that I need. This is a new feature in QlikView11, which is by using show condition for dimensions and expressions, users can create their own ad hoc reports. Let's sort by the sales amount column. This report now contains invoice per item level information. From this view, I can see that when Edward sells products, he has good margin. That means he's not giving out discounts. However, I see many zeros in the sales column, which means he's been giving out more samples than he should. Therefore, it is resulting the loss for the company. I need to speak with him directly as well as his manager to process this. Now I'm wondering whether Edward has been giving out too many samples to other customers also. To see this, I'm in Customers tab and clear EDS from the customers list. Now from the KPI list, I can see that Edward actually is generating good margins from other customers. It seems it's only EDS who's been getting a lot of samples from us. Who's Edward's managers? Who do I need to talk to? I can see this from list. Edward reports to Virginia, who reports to John. If you'd like to see where the new features of QlikView11 are used, click the information icon. Balloons pop up in every sheet where you can read about new features. Also, go to the What's New tab to see the list of new features in QlikView desktop. This is the end of the demonstration. What do you want to discover in QlikView?